you guys another video. And today, guys, it's a video that I've been waiting for the longest to do. I finally got somebody that would give me a mystery box for a little cheaper price. I didn't get sponsored by them, but I did get it for a cheaper price from Laced Up. I know you guys probably heard of them, but you guys know that I have a lot of Hypebeast stuff. So I ended up picking up the Hypebeast mystery box, which is the Supreme, vape, and shoes. So that has all three of them in there. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the first box. I already opened up the first tab because I don't want to be sitting there cutting open the box. Yeah, but I did just get it today. We're just gonna peek open. Hopefully my camera doesn't die. But yeah, so this is the first bag right here. Yeah, this is the first bag. Pretty hefty. But we're gonna go to the first piece over here. It's in like these nice little packaging that they always do. Open that out. Okay, so this is a Supreme tee. Okay, nice, I like that. It's just a simple size medium, okay. Supreme, this is from season 18. So that's nice. It's in light purple. I don't have very many purple tees, but as you guys can see, that's just a simple like tee. It says Supreme on there. And this retails for, not retail, well, they sell it for 100. So yeah, it's right there. I might play around with the title for clickbait a little bit, you guys. Maybe just a little bit, but yeah, that's the first piece right there, which is a Supreme piece. So I was looking for more Supreme items than vape because I'm not really a fan of vape that much. But then again, you get the fire vape tees and stuff like that. So another item right there, mask right there, vape mask, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna open them up because I don't know if I want to sell them or not. But that is the vape mask. You guys know them. If you guys know who Yeezy Bust Ice usually wears all of them, but he has his own mask. But he's known to be wearing them. So yeah, but this is really nice. Oh, this is nice. It's the vape head tee, but this one is the one that I always wanted, which was the normal camo. What people known for. They sell this for $130. So keep a tally it, guys. If I was editing this video, guys, I would have a tally up on the screen, but that's fine. Vape tee. So they sell this for $130. So that's already $230 plus another $40 right there. So like a $270. So that doesn't even have a price on it. But I'd probably sell that for retail because vape usually already is so expensive that nobody wants to buy it. Okay, so here comes some Laced Up merch right here. This is low Laced Up merch. This is nice because I mean I can just wear it throughout the house. That's nice. Laced Up merch, size medium. And I did get this from New York, guys, Albany, New York. Logo right there, Laced Up logo right there. Laced Up right there. It's nice, like that. That says buy, sell, trade on the back. But yeah, guys, this store is located in New York, Albany. So if I knew this because I went to New York, guys, sorry if the angle's a little weird. I'm still trying to work out this whole angle that I'm sitting at, but maybe if I back up because I have nothing to edit with, so this video is gonna be raw. Another vape head tee. Size medium, hopefully. Yeah, size medium. This is with the yellow tee. Okay, this is nice too. See, this is nice. I can do with this. Like, I can deal with this. I can deal with that. 130 size medium. Nice. That's nice. So that's another vape tee in my collection. I sold most of my other vape tees because they were like really weirdly embroidered. Oh, actually, I wanted this tee. This is nice. This is an olive colorway. I don't have any olive colored t-shirts, so that's nice to have. But yeah, look at that, guys. That's so nice. Vape right here on top, but look on the back. Metallic vape head, so nice. This goes for $130, and this is the vape metal big ink. Yeah. Let's go through this quickly because I don't know if my camera's gonna die or not. Yeah. More wrapped up stuff. This is Supreme Diamonds tee. Oh, I've seen this. This is in a yellow color. I really like the color on this. Supreme vape tee right there. It has his original tags, I think. Yeah, this is nice. Smells dead stock. It's good. It's okay. I mean, I could rock that low key. Layer it a little bit. It's a little oversized, but you can always do. And then they come with some stickers, guys, by the way, too. So, if you guys are wondering, it's normal. Look how many freaking stickers they give. That's a lot of stickers going in my collection. Okay. And what that's the shipping details. I want to show you guys that. Oh, I got a nice vape keychain. Come on, focus, camera. There you go, vape keychain. That's nice. And then you got more laced up stickers. You guys don't need me to say that, but that's actually, I'm gonna put this down actually. Let me put this down right here. Because it's kind of blocking my. Okay. So this is a bigger item. I think this is like a more expensive item in the middle. Yep, I knew that was gonna be what it's gonna be. Vape color camo shark pullover hoodie, brand new, size medium. It's brand new. That's good. But this is in a purple color. Oh, it's a pullover hoodie, so I have to wear it like over. It's kind of nice. I could do with this. It's purple. It's over the head, so I have to wear it. It's just like a normal hoodie, so it's not the zip-up hoodie. But if you guys are familiar with vape, you know what it is. So no zipper. It's just a normal pullover hoodie. This is size medium, right? Size medium. Kind of wanted to be large. I guess not. Yeah, so this is size medium. Hopefully I can fit into it. Hopefully it's not too tight. It does look a little tight. We'll make it work. If not, we can also just sell it. This is the last item, guys. This is the shoes. And they gave me some LeBrons in there. So let's see what else. Okay. These are actually kind of nice. I actually like these. These are low top LeBrons. These are actually kind of fire. It's got the gum bottom, so you can actually wear these like out. But yeah, low top LeBron, size 8, good. Sell these for $150. The gum bottoms, not bad. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for that mystery box. If you guys want to check out Lace Up, I'll put a link in the description down below so you guys can check them out. That mystery box is ranging from 100 to 50,000. So if you guys want to buy yourself a mystery box, you can go ahead and do that. I'll put a link in the description down below. And also, guys, yeah. So just to recap, we got like 2 Supreme shirts, 1 Bape shark hoodie, and then we got 4 Bape t-shirts. This is a lot. So that's pretty nice. I mean, well worth it. I'm pretty sure that well rounds over above like $1,200 maybe if I do sell everything. But I think I'm gonna do most of it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please drop a like. And like I said, guys, make sure you guys tune into my live stream. Turn on post notifications so you guys know when I am live. Because a lot of people don't turn in my live stream. I have water bottle right there, G Fuel right there for my live stream and stuff like that. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications. Also, guys, if you guys aren't aware, I'm doing a giveaway on my channel. V-Bucks or Battle Passes on Fortnite. So just all you have to do if you're a new subscriber, some of the first videos you need to click on my channel. And if you do hear a filter, that's my fish tank right now. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys did, please drop a like. Like I said, guys, check out Laced Up in the description. I'll catch you guys on next one. Peace.